Hey guys, welcome to another short tips. Today we're gonna talk about LFO on the filter. Remember last time I talked about how random LFO applied at a very slight amount can make you sound a little bit more interesting along your track. And today we're gonna see exactly this kind of same principle, but we're gonna use like a sine wave and at a very low rate, and like this is gonna slightly modulate the filter. So you can see the filter is slightly going up and down. So always put very low value here in the matrix modulation. So that's really nice for nice pads and like kind of very sustained sound who can evolve along the track. And you can even as well augment the rate of the LFO to get more kind of dubstep effects. And of course you can play here to have a more accentuated effect.